Hello everyone, I'm Naveen Kumar. I'm developer advocate engineer at Autodesk and I will be your host for today's session. Today we are presenting the Node.js ACC administrator in this bootcamp. I will be guiding you through all the materials we will be using. Our session is divided into several parts and each part focuses on different tasks, but everything we do will be connected to building the same application from start to finish. Today, we will be working with Node.js using the LTS version 22.14.0 as our runtime environment. For coding, we will be using Visual Studio Code version 1.105.1, which is one of the most popular and powerful IDEs for JavaScript and Node.js development. If you haven't installed these yet, don't worry. Here is what you can do. First, let's open your web page and go to nodejs.org. Yes. Now you can get the you can download the Node.js version from here. Click Get Node.js or click here and latest LTE version. So sorry. Click Get Node.js. And from here, depending on the Windows, depending on your operating system, you can use Windows installer or Mac. You can download it from here. Next, we need Visual Studio Code to do our coding. For that, we will go to, you can go to this link. And you can download your Visual Studio software from here. I'm sharing you the link in the chat. If you haven't installed or if you don't have it in your machine, just download the softwares and install it on your machine. Once both are installed, we will have everything ready to start building and running the Node.js application effectively. So I have shared you the links. Just go ahead and install it. Okay. Our learning objective focus on effectively managing ACC projects and users. By the end of this session, you will be able to list all ACC hubs, projects, and users associated with them and view this information in a clear table format. We will also cover how to export this data to CSV file, making it easy to share or analyze. Beyond that, we will also learn how to import projects and project users directly from CSV file, which saves time and ensure accuracy when managing large data sets. By mastering these tasks, you will gain practical skills to streamline project administration and user management in ACC. By the end of this session, you will have Node.js sample application that shows a tree view of your account or hubs, a data listing all the projects in those accounts, project members and their details. We will also add a button to export or import projects into account and export or import the users into our projects. I hope this is clear. This is what we are going to do today. Now, let's go over to today's agenda. First, we have application setup. In the application setup, we will learn how to set up your application so that you can access ACC data. We will look how to create an app and get client ID and client secret. Next, we are going to look into authentication. We will go through how to authenticate and generate an access token. With this access token, you will be able to retrieve or create data within ACC. Next, project browsing. Using the access token from previous authentication step, we will explore how to browse through the projects and view their details. After that, we are going to move to ACC Admin. In this section, you will learn how to add a new project and invite members into this newly created projects. Next, UI framework. We will focus on building a clean user interface, including a sidebar, table, to display the ACC data clearly. And finally, under the table section, we will retrieve the data from the ACC Admin app based on the current input, display the data in a bootstrap table, export the data to a CSV file, and import the data from CSV back to ACC admin system. Yeah, I will explain each when we start. I will explain each in detail when we start working with it. Okay, by the end of this session, you will have complete understanding of how to connect, manage, and visualize your ACC data effectively.